Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make this coffee shirt on ChatGPT and Canva. So I'm just going to add this image and here's the prompt that I want to use. So I'm just going to wait for ChatGPT to load and I'll be right back. Once you're done, you're just going to download the image and you're going to bring it into Canva like so. And you can add your logo, you can add some other elements. I'm going to add like a heart shaped element here, like maybe this one, and then I'll add in like a cute little text that says coffee. I don't know, obviously you can add anything other than that. Just save it into a PNG and you're done. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.